To add a Chick-fil-A gift card to DoorDash, start by opening the DoorDash app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. From there, scroll down and select the gift card option. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card details, including the gift card number and the PIN. The gift card number can be found on the back of the card, and the PIN is usually located on the sticker on the front of the card. Type in the gift card details carefully, making sure to enter the correct numbers. If you enter the wrong details, you will get an error message. Once you have entered the correct details, tap on the Add Gift Card button. The gift card balance will then be added to your DoorDash account, and you can use it to pay for your Chick-fil-A orders. You can check the gift card balance at any time by going to the gift card section of your account. Settings. When you are ready to place an order, simply select the items you want to purchase, and then select the gift card as your payment method. The gift card balance will be applied to your order, and you will receive an update on the remaining balance after the order is processed. It is also important to note that you can only use one gift card per order. So if you have multiple gift cards, you will need to use them separately. Additionally, gift cards cannot be used in combination with other payment methods, such as credit or debit cards. By following these steps, you can easily add a Chick-fil-A gift card to your DoorDash account and start using it to pay for your orders. This is a convenient way to manage your gift card balance and make the most of your Chick-fil-A purchases.